Hello, welcome to Civil Engineering and Architecture Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss a numerical problem of tension members, that is, numerical problem of unequal angle section. We have already discussed that angle section can be divided into two. That is, first one is equal angle section and second one is unequal angle section. Here we are discussing a numerical problem on unequal angle section. Question: a single unequal angle 100 by 75 by 8 mm is connected to a 8 mm gusset plate using 6 bolts of 20 mm diameter. Determine the design tensile strength of the angle if the gusset is connected to 100 mm length. Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square and Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. So in question it is specified that this is a single unequal angle and its size is 100 by 75 by 8 mm and the thickness of the gusset plate is given as 8 mm and there are 6 bolts of 20 mm diameter. So if the diameter of the bolt is 20 mm, what will be the diameter of bolt hole? Bolt hole will be equal to 20 plus 2, 22 mm. Okay, then here it is provided that connected length is 100 mm and Fy yield strength is 250 Newton per mm square and Fu, what is Fu? Ultimate strength is provided as 410 Newton per mm square. This is the figure. Here you can see this is an unequal angle and the connected length is 100 and outstanding length is 75 mm and 8 mm thickness. From bottom to the connection made is 60 mm, and if we are viewing from this side we can see a view of like this. Okay, here it is 30 mm edge distance and center to center distance between bolt is provided as 50 mm. Bottom to the connection is 60 and the top distance is 40. Okay, so let's see the solution. So here we have 3 steps. First step is design strength due to yielding of groove section. Second is design strength due to rupture of critical section, that is net section yielding. Third one is design strength due to block shear. So the final solution will be minimum of these 3 strength. Okay, so let's start with first one, that is design strength due to yielding of groove section. So from IS 800 it is provided that TDG, design tensile strength of gross yielding, is equal to AGFI by gamma MO. So this gamma MO is a factor, that is partial safety factor for materials, that is from table 5 of IS 800 we will obtain this value, that is resistance governed by yielding gamma M1 is equal to 1.10 and resistance governed by ultimate stress is equal to 1.25. Okay, so here AG is the gross area, that is gross area will be this L section. So first of all split this L section into 2 rectangles. This is the first one and this is the second one. So first one will be 75 into 8, that is 8 mm thickness. It is already provided in the question. And second rectangle is this, that is 100 minus 8, because this portion is already considered in first rectangle. So we have to take 100 minus 8 into 8 mm thickness, that is 1336 mm square. Okay, and Fy question, it is already provided in the question 250 and gamma MO from table 5 of IS 800 we will get 1.10. So substituting in equation 1 we will get 303.63 kilonewton. Next is step 2. Design strength due to rupture of critical section, that is net section yielding. So from a IS 800 TDN, tension design net yielding is equal to 0.9 ANCFU by gamma M1 plus beta AGO Fi by gamma MO. So let's discuss each terms. First one ANC, that is net area of the connected leg. So this is the connected leg, right? So net area will be length into this is the connected leg. I'm sorry, this is the connected leg. So net area will be 100 minus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is the thickness, and minus 22 means here there will be bolt hole. I have already mentioned that diameter of the bolt is 20 mm, hence bolt hole diameter will be 20 plus 2, 22 mm. So 100 minus 8 by 2 minus 22 into thickness is 8, so we will get 592 mm square. Next is AGO, gross area of the outstanding leg. So this portion is the outstanding leg. So it is length into thickness. So what is the length? This is 75 minus 8 by 2 into thickness is 8. 568 mm square. Next we have to find the term beta. So in order to find the term beta from code, it is given as beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by 2 into F by Fy by Fu into Bs by Lc. So we have to find each word. Okay. So first of all, Bs. Bs equal to W1 plus W minus T. So what is W1? W1 is the length of outstanding leg, that is 75. And W1 is this length, 60. And minus thickness is 8. So you will get 127 mm. Okay. Then LC. LC is 5 into 50, that is equal to 250. That is, from this figure it is clear that there are 6 number of bolts. So distance between center to center distance between two bolts is 50. So like that there are 5 distance, right? So 5 into 50 equal to 250 mm. So substituting in this equation, we get beta is equal to 1.18. Okay. So substituting in equation 2, TDN is equal to 327.085 kilonewton. So our third step is design strength due to block shear. Design strength due to block shear. There are 2 equations for TDB1 and TDB2. Minimum of these 2 should be adopted for TDB. So TDB1 is equal to AVG Fy by root 3 gamma MO plus 0.9 ATN FU by gamma M1, and TDB2 is equal to 0.9 AVN FU by root 3 gamma M1 plus ATG Fy by gamma M0. Okay, so first is AVG. AVG means minimum gross area for shear. Minimum gross area for shear is equal to horizontal length into thickness into number of horizontal lines. Okay, so that is so this is the figure. Block shear occurs like this. That is, starting from here to the center of this bolt hole, this portion gets detached from the structure. That is known as bolt shear failure. Okay, so here horizontal length is 30 plus 5 into 50. That is, 30 is this edge distance plus 5 into 50 means center to center distance between the bolts, into thickness is 8 and number of horizontal line 1. Here is only one layer of bolt, right? Upper number of horizontal line equal to 1. So the total will be 2240 mm square. Next is AVN. AVN means net area, minimum net area for shear. Minimum net area for shear is equal to horizontal length minus length of holes into thickness into number of horizontal lines. Okay, so that is equal to horizontal length. Total horizontal length is 280 minus 5 into 22. Why? It is 5 into 22. There are 6 number of bolt. Okay, so 5 into 22 means here failure occurs to the half of this bolt hole, right? So 5 into 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a whole, and this one only half. That's specified here. 5 into 22 minus 22 by 2 into thickness is 8 and number of horizontal line is 1. So you will get 1272 mm square. Next is ATG. ATG means minimum gross area for tension. That is equal to vertical length into thickness into number of vertical lines. Vertical length is 40. Here you can see it is 40. Vertical length is 40 into thickness is 8 and number of vertical line is 1, that is equal to 320 mm square. ATN. ATN means minimum net area for tension is equal to vertical length minus length of holes into thickness into number of vertical lines. That is vertical length is 40 minus length of hole is 22 by 2 into thickness is 8 and number of vertical line is 1. So you will get 232 mm square. So direct substitution in TdB1 and TdB2. So we will get TdB1 is equal to 362.410 kilonewton and TdB2 is equal to 289.519 kilonewton. Hence TdB is equal to 289.519 kilonewton. Okay, minimum of the two value. And the final solution, design tensile strength of angle will be the minimum of TDG and TDN and TDB. So minimum is TDB, that is 289.519 kilonewton. Thank you.